You've probably heard that vitamin C is the ultimate skincare hero, right? But what if I told you that most people are using it completely wrong? If you've been slathering on vitamin C serums for months without seeing that promised glow, you are definitely not alone. The truth is, the problem isn't the vitamin C itself, it's how you're using it. Today, we read diving deep into the science of vitamin C to uncover why it might not be working for you and how to finally make it effective for your skin. Vitamin C is everywhere in skincare, from serums and creams to masks. But despite its popularity, many of us are left wondering why our skin isn't brighter, why those fine lines aren't fading, and why our dark spots are so stubborn. The issue often comes down to the specific product you're using and how you apply it. Many people unknowingly pick unstable forms of vitamin C that lose their power before they even touch your skin. Others use concentrations that are either too low to be effective or too high, causing irritation. And then there are the common myths, like believing all vitamin C products will give you an instant glow. To get the results you want, you need to understand what's actually happening on a chemical level. So let's get into the science. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that our skin can't produce on its own. It's essential for creating collagen, protecting against environmental damage, and reducing pigmentation. This makes it a true powerhouse for anti-aging and brightening. But here's the crucial part. Not all vitamin C is created equal. The most famous form is L-Ascorbic Acid. It's the purest and most researched version, and it's incredibly effective at concentrations between 10 and 20%. But it has a major weakness. It's highly unstable. Exposure to light, air, or heat can cause it to oxidize, which is when it turns that dreaded orange or brown color and becomes pretty much useless. Then there are other, more stable forms. Sodium ascorbyl phosphate is a gentler option that's great for sensitive or acne-prone skin because it converts to ascorbic acid once it's in your skin. Magnesium ascorbyl phosphate is another stable, hydrating choice perfect for dry or sensitive types. And ascorbyl glucoside offers mild brightening benefits while remaining stable in its bottle. So how does vitamin C actually work its magic? First, it boosts collagen production. As we age, our natural collagen breaks down, leading to fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C acts as a critical helper for the enzymes that build and stabilize collagen fibers, which helps keep your skin firm and youthful. But this doesn't happen overnight. It takes consistent use to see real improvement in your skin structure. Next, it tackles pigmentation. Vitamin C works by inhibiting an enzyme called tyrosinase, which is responsible for producing melanin, the pigment that causes dark spots. By slowing down this process, it helps fade existing spots and evens out your skin tone over time. The level of brightening you'll see depends heavily on the form of vitamin C you use. L-ascorbic acid can deliver dramatic results, but its instability is a risk. Gentler derivatives will give you a more gradual but reliable improvement. And finally, let's talk about antioxidant protection. Every day, our skin is attacked by free radicals from UV rays, pollution, and even stress. These unstable molecules damage skin cells, break down collagen, and speed up the aging process. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that neutralizes these free radicals, shielding your skin from damage. Its protective power is even stronger when it's combined with other antioxidants. You've likely seen serums that pair vitamin C with vitamin E and ferulic acid. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. This trio works together to stabilize the vitamin C and supercharge its antioxidant effects. So, how can you make sure you're getting the most out of your vitamin C? First, packaging matters. Always choose products in opaque, airless bottles to protect them from light and air. Pay attention to the color and smell of your serum. If it's dark orange or has a weird metallic scent, it's probably oxidized and it's time to toss it. Next, choose the right form for your skin type. If your skin can handle it, L-ascorbic acid between 10 and 20% is a fantastic choice for brightening and anti-aging. If you have sensitive skin, Opt for a more stable derivative like sodium or magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. And most importantly, be consistent. Apply your vitamin C serum every single morning after cleansing and before your moisturizer and sunscreen. Results aren't instant. It can take anywhere from 4 to 12 weeks of daily use to see a real difference. Patience is key. By understanding why vitamin C can fail, you can make smarter choices and finally achieve the glowing, firm, and even-toned skin you've been looking for. It's all about finding the right formula, using it correctly, and giving it time to work. The secret isn't just in the ingredient itself, but in the chemistry. Let's just break down how vitamin C really works and how to make sure you're getting every single benefit. First up, collagen. This protein is what keeps your skin firm and youthful, but it naturally decreases as we age, leading to fine lines. Vitamin C is a game changer here because it acts as a crucial partner for the enzymes that build and stabilize collagen. Think of it as a personal trainer for your skin, strengthening its structure from within. But remember, this isn't an overnight fix. Consistent, daily use is key to seeing those long-term firming results. Next, let's talk about brightening. If you're dealing with dark spots or an uneven skin tone, vitamin C is your best friend. It works by blocking an enzyme called tyrosinase, which is responsible for producing melanin, the pigment that causes those spots. By slowing down melanin production, it helps fade existing discoloration and prevents new spots from forming. The key here is the type of vitamin C you use. L-Ascorbic acid is the most powerful form, but it's also notoriously unstable. That's why you'll often see more stable, gentler versions like sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which deliver great results over time without as much risk of irritation. So, why do so many people feel like their vitamin C isn't working? There are a few common culprits. The biggest one is oxidation. Once vitamin C is exposed to light, air, or heat, it starts to break down and becomes useless. If your serum has turned dark brown, it's time to toss it. Another issue is using it inconsistently. Applying it sporadically won't give the ingredient enough time to build up in your skin and work its magic. The benefits are cumulative, so daily application is non-negotiable. Now for the fun part, antioxidant protection. Every day, your skin is under attack from free radicals nasty little. Molecules from UV rays and pollution that damage skin cells and speed up aging. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes these free radicals before they can cause harm. For an even bigger shield, look for serums that combine vitamin C with vitamin E and ferulic acid. This trio is a well-studied powerhouse that stabilizes the vitamin C and supercharges its protective effects. It's a perfect example of how cosmetic chemistry makes natural ingredients even better. But you can also make mistakes that render your serum less effective. A big one is pairing it with the wrong ingredients. Using it at the same time as strong acids or certain retinoids can destabilize it or cause major irritation. Also, more isn't always better. Concentrations between 10 to 20% are the sweet spot. Going higher won't necessarily give you better results and might just make your skin angry. Always store your product in a cool, dark place to protect it from degrading. Timing is everything too. For maximum benefit, apply your vitamin C serum in the morning. This way, it can work alongside your sunscreen to protect you from daytime environmental damage. Apply it to clean, slightly damp skin to help it absorb better, then follow up with a moisturizer. If you have sensitive skin, start slow. Use it just a few times a week and gradually build up to daily use. This lets your skin adapt without getting irritated. So, let's be realistic. You won't see results overnight. It typically takes anywhere from 4 to 12 weeks of consistent use to notice a visible improvement in brightness and firmness. Skincare is a long game. Pair your topical vitamin C with a healthy diet rich in vitamin. Seafoods for a holistic approach that supports your skin from the inside out. Ultimately, understand the science behind vitamin C empowers you to choose the right products and use them correctly. By focusing on stable formulations, consistent application, and smart pairings, you can unlock its full potential for brighter, firmer, and healthier skin. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cosmetic chemistry and want to learn more about the science behind your favorite skincare ingredients, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're here to help you make smarter choices for your skin. Thanks for watching.